Good morning, Brent Crandall with the Blind Depot. We are out here this morning in North Dallas and we are installing some universal screens. Now this porch is southwest facing. We're doing it in the morning, but you can see right here that south sun can get pretty bright, especially this time of year. As you go later into the season, towards December 21st, that sun sinks a little bit lower in that southern sky. So what we're going to do is drop these shades. Now we only did 2 openings for right now, but we did a Suntex 95 material. Now these are on cable guides, so they're just intended to block the sun. They're not bug-proof or anything like that. The construction of the porch really didn't lend itself to that. But you can see how much shade we're going to get off of that already. So using Somfy motors, we can control both of these shades at the same time, or we can control them separately. If you go around the side here, you can actually see how Universal does their cable guides. So we set it to go just to that ledge, because unfortunately the ledge of the countertop does overlap just a little bit. So for consistency purposes, we set them both to the same height. And we have a favorite position where if you just want to have the sun blocked a little bit, still get the view for your guests that are sitting around this bar, you can just take them to here. So that's the favorite position. If you want us to do this for you, just give us a call. Our number is 972-644-9411. You can also reach us at blinddepotdfw.com. And once again, if you don't know what the DFW stands for, you are out of our service area. Thanks. Y'all have a great week, and we'll see you later.